Question. Materials that form an integral part of the finished product are called direct material, indirect materials, direct expenses. Direct materials. Direct labor is sometimes called prime cost, productive labor, conversion labor. Productive labor. The total of direct labor, direct production expenses and factory overhead is the prime cost, conversion cost, manufacturing cost. Conversion cost. The total cost of indirect material, indirect labor and other manufacturing expenses is the factory overhead, manufacturing cost, indirect cost. Factory overhead. If applied factory overhead is greater than the actual factory overhead, it is called the under applied factory overhead, over applied factory overheads, actual factory overhead. Over applied factory overhead. The total cost of direct material and direct labor is referred to as factory cost, manufacturing cost, prime cost, production cost. Prime cost. The nails used to manufacture a chair would be classified as direct material, factory overhead, indirect material. Indirect material. Depreciation of factory tools is indirect labor, indirect material, factory overhead. Factory overhead. A machine purchased during a year is cost, expense, revenue. Cost. The depreciation of machine over a certain period causes an increase in cost, expense, revenue. Cost. Secret reserves are shown on asset side of the balance sheet, none of the above, liability side of the balance sheet, credit side of trading account. None of the above. Secret reserve can be created by public limited company only, banking and financial companies only, private limited company only, cooperative societies. Banking and financial companies only. Basic objectives of cost accounting is dash: tax compliance, financial audit, cost ascertainment, profit analysis. Cost ascertainment. Direct costs incurred can be identified with each department, each unit of output, each month, each executive. Each unit of output. Overhead cost is the total of all indirect costs, all direct costs, indirect and direct costs, all specific costs. All indirect costs.